That's the wood stove to make fire. Some of the wood pieces of cedar tree and some lighters. I will make fire, and you can see the fire still going on. What we can see. See the outside. It's gonna be fabulous when it will be all wall cladding and will be finished home. It's the outdoor door, so it cost 2,500. I just finished my pruning job, so right now I'm going down in the cottage. Has my chainsaw DeWALT. So that's the way to our cottage where the work is going on. It's pretty scary even in winter time and at night time. And it was fully loaded with snow. I had to shovel it once or twice in a day, but thank God it was not snowy today. Bite a while and take a seat, rest your heart, your legs and feet, pause, rest, enjoy the spot, then you go. Then up you go and reach the top. That's not for us, it's for whoever is going up, but we are going down now. Even I had a seat when I was, at that time I was going up. I took that seat even while coming down. That's the place for conveyor. I forgot to show you on top of the hill. There's the conveyor, and we unload all material here. Yeah, it's pretty warm inside. To see what's the work going on. I install these doors in the morning, and then this cladding work on the walls and ceiling. When I worked in everything, it was old, 45 years old cottage, and we were renovating it, so I was available at all the time when the work was going on here in this cottage. It is really cold weather. You can see the snow all the way around, and even it's windy.